Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, hi guys! Where's Anya? Hi Kabem! Where are you?
I'm here!
Say hi ka muna. Hi!
I'm in a seat now.
Pupunta ngayon kami guys sa Unli kasi nag-crave kami ng steak.
Mami, kakain mo doon ha?
Oo. Kumakain ka ba ng steak?
Yes.
Madilim guys, walang ilaw. Nasa loob ang ilaw. Samahan nyo kami.
Ay, sabihin mo muna kung anong gagawin natin.
Kakain tayo. Sa Unli na kami guys. May fireworks oh.
Tim pa lang po.
Time check tayo. 8:15.
7:15.
8:15.
I mean 8:15 na po.
And as usual, traffic.
Yeah, I think pupunta tayo 7:30.
Paatras naman. Paatras naman. Paatras yung time ni Anya.
7:30. Nasa house na tayo.
Okay, I think 7.
7:30 nasa house na tayo nun. Kasi 7:30 tayo.
Ayan ang marquee. No! Fireworks! Oh my God. Diba?
Saan kayo na?
Yan nga yung sinasabi kong may ticket. Yung babayaran mo. Okay, pupunta tayo sa fireworks. Ayan lang yung fireworks display, guys.
Guys, nakikita niyo ba?
Comment down below kung nakikita nyo, guys. As in down naga. Ayan na! Nakalibre kami. Hindi siya sa, hindi siya sa, wow! Ganda! Ganda, guys! Ano ba ba? Wait natin.
Dana!
Meron pa niyan. Hindi pa tapos. So, ayun na nga, guys. Wala na yata.
Meron pa niyan. Nag-ano pa lang yan.
Nang warm up.
Warm up?
Oo, yun.
Yun, nanggigil sila.
Nagpa-practice muna sila.
Aba, pinapractice.
Mga maliit.
So, pinapractice po palang pagsindi ng fireworks, guys. Pinapractice ba? Oh my God.
Diba yung mga iba, mga water bottles muna.
Oh, where are you going down today?
No, sir!
Tonight pala. Where are you going? Ano ang tawag dito?
The fireworks?
Against the light. Patayin mo na lang yung light. Hindi siya nakikita. Saan na ba ito, Mods? Asan na tayo lugar?
Tayo sa...
Clark na ba ito? Effects.
Ito yung text. Ito yung text.
Guys, nandito na kami sa John Kitchen. Hindi, kung ano yung paluto. Sabi mo, we're here na.
We're here, guys.
Ang hila naman ang voice mo.
Ay! We're here!
Pakita ko muna yung pagkain ko. Hinihintay pa namin yung steak.
Mommy, for mine! My food. Talking about YouTube channel.
Na? Oh, sa kanya daw YouTube channel, oh. Sabi mo.
Anya,
Sa'yo nga, oh. Ayan, oh. Sa kanya daw, guys.
I think I want to get more corn.
You eat. Ha?
Ay, hindi kakain ko ngayon corn to sa rice.
may mali. Pag-iwa kita.
Okay.
Para makita ka nila.
Good.
Stick na rin. Stick na rin.
I'm gonna try it, okay? I like it.
Ilan yung in-order mo steak?
No.
Ito lang?
No.
Hey, one for me. Kaya I'm impressed. Sa corn nila, di ba may leaves sila? Parang sarap nila.
You eat the ano, the Big Mac.
Balik tayo dito.
Big Mac.
Mac and cheese.
Guys, 2 times na kami kumain dito, pero mas lalong sumarap ngayon. Bali, ano lang dito? Magkano ba mo? $3.99 Unli steak na, tapos yung side dish.
Guys!
Sobrang sarap dito guys, ang mura. Mura na yun. Kasi masarap yung ano. Hindi ako kumakain nito.
Masabi.
Hindi ko bet.
Huwag yan, dito.
Hindi nila nakikita na hindi ako marunong mag-
Ay, malapit na ako
Wow.
napaso. Malapit na ako napaso dito, Mami.
Ay!
Guys! Mommy dropped the... What was that again? Dropped the... What was that called? Sushi. That is what it's called. Now to go to...
Kwentuhan mo sila.
You're back? You're back? Yes, you're back. So I've been eating and my plate is empty. Just some spaghetti on it. Mommy's gonna eat the spaghetti, so I'm gonna just, it's in the middle so now he's gonna eat it, so I think he's gonna like it. Now, are you wondering where this is this? And you're asking, if you're asking if this is my real ears and a nose to my see? If I freak you, you can see this black thing.
Naayaw mo to?
No. And you can, but to my discussion, it has this, so it's proof that says, I'm gonna put it closer so you can see it. See? And also, these are my not real ears, and my ears. I have real ears. I like this and mine looks like I have an earring here. Ay, ito pala yung style ko. Yung meron siyang ganon, tapos ganito yung hair ko, tapos may earrings ko, diba? I was like that, so I was so like, couldn't believe, so So now I'm gonna put my hand in that, and I'm gonna show you how the band is the back. It's gonna look like with this cut, and they're very. Oh, ganun talaga dito. Para ayaw nila. Or baka iba yung tasting nyo. So I think I really good. They are good. Because when I don't have bags, but they also have bags. This is what I love without bags. Mommy! Things up without bags, so I prefer with bags. So now what happens with bags? So I think it's see if there's anyone and I'll be if anyone's going to my chair, going to my table, and go. Bye.